Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Steam account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Steam account on your computer or your laptop, you can see I'm already logged into my Steam account on the Steam software over here. After logging in guys, in order to sign out, at the top right corner of your screen you can see your username. Either you can click over there and this drop down menu will appear where you can click on the sign out of account to log out of your Steam account from gear 1, and on the way is at the top left corner of your screen guys, there is the Steam button available for us. Click on that Steam button and there is the sign out button still available for us on those two sides. Click on sign out and a confirm button or the confirmation will be there for us. Click on confirm and then you'll be logged out of your Steam account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log out of your Steam account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.